Hello, Muffins! It's Vicky. Welcome back to another episode of Candy Single Inspiration. Today, I am making a candy single for one of my lovely Etsy customers. I like to make them for free for people when I can. They ordered a trans flag candy cuff. Isn't it adorable? And this is going to be my first time trying out my candy bead gumball machine. So, I gotta give credit where credit is due. I got this idea from Mood Candy, aka B. Except theirs is like 3 times the size of mine. But I got this tiny gumball machine from, Joanne for $5, and I was like, I need to buy that, and I need to put beads in it. And I tried the gumballs that were inside and they tasted really bad, so I got rid of them. But I tried to eat them. They were horrible. They tasted like chewable heartburn medicine. I was like, nope, can't eat this. Anyways, welcome to the Candy Single Inspiration series. A series where I try to show you what you can make if you don't know what to do for your candy singles. And, by the way, guys, I'm trying to leave Texas because it's getting real scary for my civil rights and safety here. So check out my Etsy store or my fundraiser in the description below if you can help out at all. And, oh yeah, I probably shouldn't get this guy out of frame yet because we gotta crank some beads out of it. I don't know what to make, so I'm gonna crank some beads out of this gumball machine. The thing is that most of the beads I put in here are round, so it might get, what is it called? Blocked? It might get stuck, so, wish me luck. We're just gonna make some beads come out. They come out like one at a time, because that's a small gumball machine. I can't get them out of the tray, help! Okay, we've got a couple hearts so far. A tiny red ball and a blue diamond. I'm just gonna keep spinning. I want like several beads. Oh god, they're just flying out. Okay, that's several. Should we keep going? I really like this one. It has a little rhinestone in it, and it's a heart. It's such a tiny bead, I know it's hard to see. Let's spin some more. It's going great. This is probably good. Let me point the camera down so you can see all the beads that we spun. I got a nice little pile going here. And then I also have like a tray of like other beads that I thought, I could fill up the rest of the bracelet with. Because when I filled up my gumball machine, I put only non-pony beads in there. Speaking of which, got my string bucket. Got to get my piece of string. So I figured I'd use some special beads and then like fill in the gaps with just regular pony beads. I'll start with this mint colored heart, I think. That's cute. Okay. What color goes good with these? Maybe pink? I feel like pink would go good with this set, maybe? Or, wait, kind of feeling my glitter orange. Just put a few glitter orange. And then another, like, random bead. Okay, wait, these tubes, are they gonna fit? Oh, they fit, okay. I fitted the tube. I'm also kind of feeling the glitter purple with this. I don't know why. Maybe I'll put the green tube on the other side. This looks like a rice pilaf. What is rice pilaf? It's like a thick rice. Let's see. Let's put some glitter purple. Why not? Just get a little wacky with it. I don't know if I'll even have room with all the filler beads I'm putting for all these beads, but that is okay. I think I'll go in with the white hearts next. This is kind of cute. It's giving like toy vibes. Dare I say kidcore? I'm too old to know what kidcore is, but I've heard of it. Don't cancel me. Alright, we're going in with the pink glitter. Not even trying to keep it classy anymore. How big is this bracelet already? 23. Okay. We're getting to where it's like almost done. So I think I'm gonna go with these two. A green sparkly faceted ball and a blue one. And then maybe finish it off with 3 orange and see if that's it. Gotta make sure it's the right size for my Etsy customer, of course. Let's see. Let's get out the ruler. Let's get out the ruler. You know, it could be a little longer. It could be a little longer. So, we'll put a couple more orange, maybe? I feel like it'll be too long, though, if I put too many. And then maybe this blue ball. Ooh, or wait, this purple thing? That's cute. But then I feel like it's too long. I don't know. Ah, that's pretty good. Let's see. Compare it to the candy cup here. Yeah, I feel that it's a... You know what? I'm not going to worry about it. It's adorable. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If it's a little big, that's okay. Because it's always great to have like some bigger ones that you can like push up your arm and like stack the smaller ones under it. All right, where's my scissors? Well, now I've got to put those leftover beads back in my gumball machine. Okay, and now I'm going to try to like get the knot to go inside one of the pony beads so it's not so obviously there. There we go. We Gumball Machine core. Just making stuff up. That's cute. I love it. That's my first Gumball Machine candy single. Like I said, the Gumball Machine was $5 at Joann. So not bad at all. And now we shall ceremoniously return the gumball beads back where they belong. The top just pulls off like that. It took me quite a while to figure that out. Now put these 4 beads we didn't use back in for next time. All these beads came from like a bag of just mixed beads that someone sent me. I think it was Rara who sent me them. Thank you. Much appreciated. Also, Sunny is here. I just got these overalls from a thrift store yesterday and they perfectly fit a 5-inch Squishmallow. I don't know if this is a 5-inch Squishmallow actually. Let me know. But there's a big pocket at the front. It's amazing. But yeah, that's the finished bracelet. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's so cute. I'm sure that they will love it. It's gonna fit them perfectly. By the way, guys, before I go, I just want to give a quick shout out to our channel sponsors, Invader Icy, Sunflower Boy 003, Spooky Mutt, Robin is Gay, Tina Harris, and Slimy Lucy. If you guys want to join them, the link will be down in the description in my link tree. And until next time, guys, peace, love, unity, and respect.